Hey guys, here's Alex and welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. And now I'm solving problem 1456, maximum number of vowels in a substring. So given a string s and an integer k, return the maximum number of vowel letters in any substring s with length k. So vowel letters are A, E, I, O, U. So we have this string, and I have k free. The substring is I. So a substring is something like this, but it needs to be like sequential. It cannot be like this character, and that character. So what we need to do is, let me just use my favorite JS Paint. What we need to do is have a window, and so we know that the size is free. So let me just present this properly. So let's say we have a window of size free. We check the first one and it's like, the size must be this one. That's why it covers 3 characters. Let's check if all of them are vowels. Well, it's not, because you have B and C. We move. No. Oh wait. Well, it's like, I. It's just vowels. Okay, good. So let's return that. So we output free. Oh wait, no, that's not true. No, I was reading it wrong. So we create something like this, and we say, okay, how many vowels do we have? 1. Great. How many vowels? 1. 2. Okay, 2 is the best. Okay, 3 is the best. If we reach 3, then it just can't go any higher. But if it was something like this, then we would have to go all the way to the end. So we have 1 vowel, 2 vowel, 1 vowel, 2 vowels, 2 vowels, 2 vowels, 1 vowel. The best was 2. So that's it. That's how we should do it. We should move the window and count. So that's pretty easy to implement, I guess. So we can do for I in range length of k minus, no, length of s minus k. Actually, minus k minus 1, I guess. Because if k is 1, we still want to iterate to the end. So we do something like, hey, substring equals s of I all the way to I plus k. Yeah. And now we check length of x for x in substring if x in I, E, I, O, U, and number of vowels. Best number equals, best number equals 0. Let's start with that. Best number is 0. And if number of vowels, or best number equals the maximum between the current number, best number, and number of vowels. And if best number equals k, then we can just return. Then we can just break. We don't need to search anymore. Return best number. Let's submit. And now I'm going to drink some milk while I wait. Time limit exceeded. Why? Because we have a big ass window. So, what do? We don't need to be counting the number of vowels every time. We can just do current num of vowels equals none. And let's say if cur number of vowels is none, then we indeed count the number of vowels. Else, what do? We check the character that we're going to include and the character we just excluded. If the new one is a vowel, we add it, and if the one that's going to exclude is a vowel, we remove it. So if s of I minus 1 in a, e, I, o, u, then current number of vowels minus equals 1. And if, and not elif, if the two things might happen, if s of I plus k, I guess, and now I think I need to do I plus k minus 1. For s of I plus k minus 1 in a, e, I, o, u, then we increment. So 102 test cases passed. If something went wrong, it's because of the indexes. And nothing went wrong. Things worked out, and hey, I had good results. Both of them are green. Beats 61, beats 97. I'm going to submit again, hoping for the best. I might get even worse results. I did get worse results. But anyways, this is how I solved it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you later.